back at CP Mopar, making the Gold Duster great again, so we're super excited about that. When you look at the engine, just super cool. But I wanted to share, we got Westside Garage here with us, so we're super excited about that. We got Robert.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Westside Garage does a great job, helps us out, comes here. We got Danny in the house.
What's up, guys?
We got Cindy.
Hi.
We got Tony. And most important, we got Ben. He makes sure we're safe and keeps us company. But yeah, let's walk through the car, Danny, what we're doing here.
Yeah, let's go.
I can't take much credit this time because I was in LA at a meeting, so I kind of came in late. So Danny and the crew have been working on it. But what do we do here?
Yeah, so we got the Champion radiator all in there. We got the fan shroud mocked up. We're just waiting for the fans to come in. And then we also did our tranny cooler lines that we got from our buddies from TMR in the city of Orange. So we'll be going back to them to finish those guys up. And then we installed the Mopar valve covers that you guys love. Yep.
Yes.
So we got that on there. And then started working on your fuel tank. So we'll hopefully have that in next time we're in. And then head over to the back.
Yeah, let's head to the back. We actually threw the bumper on. Makes him
have a nice shiny bumper.
Nice
Yeah,
new
look at
shiny
that.
bumper. Look at that. We got the tail lights
Lights
in.
are on as well.
Playing with those, getting tightened up. Yeah, it's coming together. Organized some parts, got them dialed in. Making our list of what we need. And it's coming together. So we'll be back at it again soon. Thanks for watching.
See you guys.
Stay tuned for one more week. We'll have a lot more stuff done to this.
Let's do it.